It's coming! It's coming! It's coming! It's coming! Look! Look, Mommy's rainbow! Look, Marcelo's rainbow! Oh, with many colors! Hello, hello, hello! Welcome to Marcelo's Real World! This channel is all about teaching early education for small kids by helping you improve your skills in an easy and fun way.
Yes.
What are we going to do, Marcelo?
I know.
Wow, we're going to use the Skittles. Look, show your friends. Look. Woo! We're going to use the Skittles. Do you know what colors are all those Skittles? Let me see. What color? I can't hear you. Yes, we have green. We have red. We have what else? Brown.
Red.
We have yellow. Wow.
Mommy.
Oh, that's green. Can you tell me another color? Yes, color brown. Very good. Wonderful job.
Red.
That's red, Marcelo. Look.
And that's
Now we're going to do a
green,
circle.
green.
No, that's orange.
Orange.
We're going to do a circle. Look, Marcelo. We're going to do a circle. So, you're going to put all the Skittles around the plate. Look like this. Look like this, Marcelo. Put all the Skittles around the plate. All the Skittles around the plate. And you're going to think who's going to win this race, Marcelo.
Me.
You? I don't know. Maybe Mommy can win. We're going to do a rainbow using Skittles and water.
Yes.
Yes? Okay, hurry up.
Water.
Water, yes, hurry up. Let's put all the Skittles around the plate, and you can do your own rainbow. You can use all the colors together, or you can sort the colors, and you can put all the yellows together,
Mommy,
all the reds together,
I'm a
all
winner.
the browns together, okay?
The winner.
Oh, you're gonna win? No, I'm gonna win.
Now I'm gonna.
Yes, look, your friends are telling me that I'm gonna win.
And I'm going to.
Hurry up, Marcelo. Put the circle in the plate.
Look, ready. So I'm going to put the other Skittles here inside the bag.
Hurry up, Marcelo. Hurry up. Hurry up.
I got my circle.
Oh, Mommy's gonna win. Mommy's gonna win, Marcelo.
I got my circle.
Marcelo, put it in the table. Put it in the table. Put it in the table. Hurry up.
Whoa! Look, now tell me what color is this? It's color? Yes, it's color red. Very good. So I'm gonna put color red here. And you know what color is this? What color? I can hear you. Yes, it's color brown. Very good. And this one, what about this one? Marcelo, ask your friends what color is this?
Green.
Yes. Did you say at the same time like Marcelo? It's color green? Yes. Marcelo, hurry up. Tell your friends what color is this? It's yellow. Did you say yellow? Good job. Now we're going to add some water and we're going to see what happened here with our rainbow. But slow it down, so I'm gonna help you. 1, just a little bit. 2, and 3. You think I'm gonna win or Marcelo's gonna be the winner?
Me.
Who's gonna be the winner? Mommy or Marcelo? Mommy or Marcelo? I don't know. We're gonna see what happened with the colors. It's supposed to make a rainbow.
Look.
Marcelo used all the reds together, all the greens together, all the orange together, and all the yellows together. You can do it like me or like Marcelo. Look what happened, Marcelo. Look, our rainbow is coming. Hi, Marcelo's gonna win. Marcelo's gonna win. Or no, I'm gonna win. Do you think Marcelo's gonna be the winner? Or
Yes.
Mommy's gonna be the winner? Mommy's gonna be the winner. Ay, it's coming.
Ay.
It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Look. Look, Mommy's rainbow. Look, Marcelo's rainbow. Oh, with many colors.
Wow, look at that rainbow, Marcelo.
Be a winner.
No, I think mommy was a winner.
Hmm.
Oh. What time, Marcelo?
Yay!
Marcelo, tell your friend that you have to subscribe. And remember that, we're watching you.
Watching you.
I'm watching you.
I'm watching you.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Do your own